नमस्कार, मैं अनीता वर्मा। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 7 इंग्लिश सप्लीमेंट्री लेसन 10 एन अलाइन हैंड चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन। ये क्लास 7 इंग्लिश सप्लीमेंट्री का लास्ट चैप्टर है। नाउ स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले हम करेंगे वर्ड मीनिंग्स। ऑर्बिटर विच ऑर्बिट्स चक्कर लगाने वाला। लैंडर विच कम्स टू सरफेस सतह पर आने वाला। कंडक्टेड परफॉर्म किए। एविडेंस प्रूफ प्रमाण। फोरबिडन नॉट अलाउड प्रतिबंधित। इनवेरिएबली ऑलवेज सदा ही। शाइस्ता नैप झपकी। बेकन कॉल बुलाना। अंडर एस्टिमेटेड फॉर्म ए लोअर ओपिनियन कम समझा। डिटेक्टेड फाउंड आउट पता लगाया। इंट्रूडर ट्रेसपेसर अनधिकृत प्रवेशकर्ता। एस्कॉर्टेड गाइडेड ले जाया गया। क्वार्टर प्लेस स्थान। ब्रीफ्ड स्पोक इन ए फ्यू वर्ड्स संक्षिप्त वर्णन। इक्विप्ड आर्म्ड सज्जित। रिजर्वर टैंक टंकी। सस्टेंस सपोर्ट सहारा। होस्टाइल इनेमी दुश्मन। एक्सटिंक्ट केस टू एक्जिस्ट समाप्त। सर्विस टू मैन मरम्मत करना। ट्रेजेक्टरी पाथ मार्ग। आर्चीव्स ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स पुरालेख। एंसेस्टर्स फोरफादर्स पूर्वज। इम्पोर्टेंटली हेल्पलेसली लाचारी से। वेंटेज सुपीरियर श्रेष्ठ। मोमेंटस वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट अति महत्वपूर्ण। ऑर्बिटिंग सर्कलिंग चक्कर लगाना। मिसाइल्स वेपन्स दैट ट्रेवल टू हिट ए टारगेट प्रक्षेपास्त्र। अनऑपरेशनल इनएक्टिव निष्क्रिय। रेड लेटर डे वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट डे अति महत्वपूर्ण दिन। इम्प्रेसिव इम्पोजिंग प्रभावशाली। पैनल बोर्ड विशफुली विथ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बड़ी चाह से। इरेजिस्टिबल अनकंट्रोलेबल अप्रतिरोध्य। श्रिल लाउड तेज। नेचुरल मेकिंग समथिंग इनइफेक्टिव निरर्थक करना। हिच डिफ़िकल्टी कठिनाई। मोल फंक्शन टेक्निकल डिफेक्ट तकनीकी दोष। अब स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हाउ डज टिल्लू मैनेज टू फाइंड हिज वे टू द फोरबिडन पैसेज। आंसर One day while Tillu daddies was sleeping, Tillu managed to get hold of his security card. Then he walked towards the forbidden passage. He put the card into a slot of the closed metal door. The door opened. This was how Tillu managed to find his way to the forbidden passage. Question number 2 what did Tillu hope to see once he emerged from his underground home? Answer after emerging from his underground home, Tillu hoped to see the sun if it was day or the stars if it was night. Question number 3 why did Tillu's father advise him not to try to reach the surface of the planet? Answer Tillu's father advised him not to try to reach the surface of the planet because he would not be able to survive in the thin air and low temperature existing on the surface of the planet. He informed Tillu that he went to the surface wearing a special suit. Question number 4 what changes had occurred which forced people to live in underground homes? Answer the sun had turned unfavorable. The air became too thin to breathe. The temperature became so low that the people could freeze to death. Birds, animals, and fish had long been dead, so people had to live in underground homes. Next question, why was everyone in the control room greatly excited? Answer, everyone in the control room was greatly excited because they had observed two spacecraft coming towards their planet. Question number 2, was the spacecraft manned or unmanned? How do you know it? Answer, the spacecraft was unmanned. Number 1, in charge of defense told the people in the control room that he had reports that said that the spacecraft contained only instruments. Question number 3, what did number 1 and number 2 suggest should be done about the alien spacecraft? Answer, number 1 suggested they should wait for spacecraft to land on surface and then render it ineffective if required. Number 2 suggested non-interference and passive observance in matters of the alien spacecraft. Of them was in favor of destroying the spacecraft. Next question, what do you think the mechanical hand was trying to do? Answer, the mechanic hand was trying to collect samples of soil for examination from the Martian surface to detect the presence of any life form on it. Question number 2, Tillu pressed the red button and the damage was done. What was the damage? Answer, the damage was that the mechanical hand was rendered ineffective and had stopped working. Question number 3, where had the spacecraft come from? Answer, National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA of America had sent the spacecraft from Earth. Question number 4, on which planet do Tillu and his parents live? Answer, Tillu and his parents live on the planet Mars. Is the class 7th English supplementary lesson 10 an aligned hand chapter का solution. Thanks for watching.